Hello, my dear friends and my students. Welcome to new video that is reproduction and modern technology. Today we are going to discuss about this point. Many couples cannot have children due to various reasons. In the case of women, the major problems are, or the reasons are, irregularity in menstrual cycle, difficulties in oocyte production, obstacles in the oviduct, difficulties in implementation in uterus, and many other reasons are responsible for this. And if you see the case of men, so absence of sperm in the semen, slow movement of sperm, anomalies in the sperm are the reason in the case of male. But now, with the help of advanced modern technology and medical help like IVF, surrogacy, sperm bank, the childless couple can have a children. Now, first point is in vitro fertilization, that is IVF. How it is helpful and how it exactly work, that we are going to discuss about it. In this technique, fertilization is brought about in the test tube and the embryo formed in implemented in the uterus of the woman. An appropriate time IVF technique is used for having the child in the case of those childless couple who have problem like less sperm count, obstacles in the oviduct, etc. Some women have the problem in implementation of embryo in the uterus. I am talking about surrogacy. Such a woman can take help of the woman modern remedial technique called surrogacy. Students write down this definition. Women can take the help of modern remedial technique called surrogacy. In this technique, oocytes is collected from the ovary of the woman having problem in implementation in uterus. That oocyte is fertilized in the test tube with the help of sperm collected from her husband. The embryo formed for such a fertilization is implemented in the uterus of some other woman having normal uterus. Such a woman in whose uterus the embryo is implemented is called as surrogate mother. Students, a very simple and very helpful essential technique it is, because in this technique women can take help of other women. The woman who is unable to hold the fertilized egg or fertilized embryo in her uterus, she can take help, and with the help of these modern technique or remedial technique, she can put his embryo in others woman uterus. Those women, they have means those women selected who has normal uterus. Such a woman whose uterus the embryo is implemented, in whose uterus the embryo is implemented, is known as surrogate mother. Sperm bank or semen bank. There are various problems in the sperm production as we have discussed previously. In the case of many men, so as to have the children in the case of such a couples, new concept of sperm bank has been introduced. This concept is similar to blood bank. Semen injected by the desired men is collected after their throughout physical and medical checkup and stored in the sperm bank. When this stored inside the sperm bank, at that time they have taken this specific semen, and as per the wish of needful couple, oocytes of the woman and concerned couple is fertilized by IVF technique. Using the semen of sperm bank, result embryo is implemented in the uterus of the same woman. Name of the semen donor is strictly kept secret as per the law. Students, we are going to discuss about twins. Two embryos develop simultaneously in the same uterus, and thus two offsprings are delivered simultaneously. Such offsprings are called as twins. Many couples have twins. There are two main type of twins as monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. Monozygotic twins are formed from a single embryo during early period of embryonic development within 8 days of zygote formation. Cells of that embryo divide into two groups. Those two groups develop as two separate embryos as the monozygotic twins are formed. Such twins are genetically exactly similar to each other. Due to this, such twins are exactly similar in their appearance and their gender is also same. That is, both will either boys or girls. In the case of monozygotic twins, if the embryonic cell are divided into two groups, 8 days after the zygote formation, there is a high possibilities of formation of conjoined twins, that is Siamese twins or Siamese twins. Such twins are born with the same parts of the body joined to each other. Some organ are common in such a twins. Auxiliarily, occasionally, two oocytes are released from the ovary of women, and both oocytes are fertilized by the two separate sperm, and thus two zygotes are formed. Two embryos are formed from those two zygotes, and both of those embryos are separately implemented in the uterus, and thus dizygotic twins are delivered after complete development. Such twins are genetically different and may be same or different by their gender. Reproductive health. A person's state of begin physical, mental and social strongness is called as health. In our country, there seems to be lack of awareness regarding to reproductive health due to various reasons like social custom, tradition, illiteracy, shyness, etc. Especially there seem to be indifference toward the reproductive health of the woman. Occurrence of menstrual cycle is released with the reproductive and overall health of the woman. Nowadays, women are working at par with men. Due to this, they have to stay outdoors for whole day. Bleeding occurs during menstrual cycle. Due to this, private organs health may arise. Some problem regarding to reproductive health may arise in the men too. It is essential to mention the cleanness of their genetic organ. It among the various sexual diseases, syphilia, Guillain-Barré occurs on a large scale. Both of these diseases are caused by the bacteria. Occurrence of cancer on various parts of the body, including genital rash, fever, implementation of joints, atopia, etc., are the symptoms of syphilis. Painful and burning sensual during urination, oozing of pus through penis and vagina, inflammation of urinary tract, anus, throat, eyes, etc., are the symptoms of Grohenka. Excessive growth of population with a short duration is called as population explosion. We are going to talk about population explosion. You may have realized from the table which is given right now on the screen, you are able to see over here, that is the chart show you the overall growth of population. From the table you can clearly see that face various problems like unemployment, decreasing per capita income and increasing loan, stress on natural resources, etc. There is only one solution for all such problems, and it is population control. Family planning is essential for this. Visit a public health center nearby your places and collect the information through an interview of health officer about meaning and various method of family planning, why it is important, how this will be done, and with the help of medical technique, is it possible or not. There was possibilities with the medical technique also, by doing fragmentation. All the medical facilities nowadays available in the medical room. You can visit nearest doctor to take advice from him or her. I hope you enjoy this phenomenon. If you like this, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have a doubt, so ask me in the comment box which is given below. I hope you enjoy this phenomenon. If you have a doubt, so you can ask me. Thank you.